What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video. As promised, I know we try our best to keep our promises. Today we are here right on the outside of HELLSHIRE view. I know a few persons have been commenting asking for update. Remember the last time that we were here, we did not have the drone with us, but we promised that we would have come back when it was available to give you guys this drone shot. All right, so guys, remember, if you're new to the channel, remember, if you're liking the contents, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so that when we post the updates you don't miss them. All right, and also remember, hit the like button so that other persons can be this video can be recommended to other persons that watch videos like you. All right, and a lot of persons are asking for update, and so we're going to be giving you guys this brief little shot of what's going on right here. In this video you would be seeing that the buildings are now being erected from the ground. The last time we came here we were only seeing the steels coming from the foundation, but today you can actually see that the structure is there. We'll try our best to give you a shot in terms of you can see the layout of the unit from the roof. In terms of size and thing, we won't be able to give you that today, but I'm sure somewhere along the line you guys will be getting that kind of update. All right, so just continue to watch this video. Remember to share it with somebody. Remember that other persons want to get some update as well, who might not be subscribed to this channel. Don't be selfish with the content, but we'll be getting right into it. Another thing that we noticed out here is that the foundation for other units are already set. So even though it is not yet framed for casting, the foundation is there. You have steels going up for other units. So guys, just stick around to the channel, and as soon as we get updates, we push them out to you. And remember that HELLSHIRE view promises to be a very beautiful development, and you don't want to miss out. These units, however, would have already been sold out, but there are other phases coming and you don't want to miss that. So without any further ado, let's get right into this drone shot, and I hope you guys enjoy the footage. Remember to leave your comment, remember to share, remember to subscribe, and don't forget to like the video. All right, so I'll catch you on the other end of this drone shot. guys, so the sun is very hot on the outside here today. So hope you guys enjoy that drone footage. We try our best to show you as much as what is happening on this spot of ground. Remember guys, to keep yourself tuned to this channel so that you don't miss the updates. And as you guys would have seen, all the development have taken place here. I know it has been a while. I know that it seemed like it has been a very long time since you guys probably would have heard about the development. For those who have made their applications, it probably have been a long time since you have done so and wondering what's happening. But at this point, this is where it is at. So guys, remember that we will definitely keep you updated to what is going on. So don't worry about that. And we will definitely see you guys in another video at another time at this location and at other locations. Remember to make your suggestions in the comment. We try our best to honor those suggestions. And remember, I realize that persons in the comment are also providing information, providing updates on other developments. Thank you guys so much, because we don't have all the information, but as much as you can share, continue to share, and we appreciate that. So guys, until next time, we will catch you guys in another video. And remember to continue to make it Chrisams, because the journey continues, and we catch you guys in another one. Peace out.